InfraOps AI is a safe demonstration of an integrated facilities operations platform. One platform connects maintenance, workplace operations, and real estate management. Maintenance managers review portfolio status across the country, regions, cities, and individual sites. Each facility has a live operational view of systems, planned work, deadlines, and execution status. Electricity, water, and gas are tracked separately with monthly trends and annual summaries. Compliance dashboards monitor operating permits, document coverage, and approaching deadlines. Workplace operations combines cleaning, safety, supplies, water, assets, and vendor control. Beverage analytics shows stock levels, consumption and coffee machine models, locations and service dates. Regional maps help managers compare service status and identify sites that require attention. Real estate centralizes leased and subleased areas, locations, agreements, and critical dates. Utility dashboards reuse confirmed resource readings without exposing financial amounts. InfraOps AI turns fragmented operational processes into one transparent and manageable environment.